How to fix DXGI_error_device hung or reset messages in Windows 11 tenths. To fix DXGI_error_device hung or reset messages in Windows 11 tenths, try 1. Update graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Stop running or using overclocking, if applicable. 3. Update/install DXX as admin. 4. Disable anti-aliasing in NVIDIA control panel settings. 5. Add then set 0 to TDR level key to the registry at computer/H key _local _machine /system /current control set /control /graphics drivers. 6. Modify loadapplet_DLL's value in registry at computer/H key _local machine /software /Microsoft /Windows NT /current version /Windows S0. 7. Disable Steam Cloud synchronization. 8. Reinstall the gaming client/game.